Gang, 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 gang. Back in the stove. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl King Lex. Are you blessed and bougie? Cause I know I am. If you are new to this channel, hit that subscribe button right now. Hit the subscribe button right here. Give this video a nice old thumbs up if you're ready to get into it. As y'all can tell by today's title, we're gonna be doing a little tie-dyeing. I've done it before and I made this shirt. My friend and I, we were doing tie-dyes and I made this shirt right here, but it didn't really come out the way I wanted to. And I know like right now trending is like the tie-dye everything, like the one color, like the crinkle method. This is like that spiral method, I guess is what it's called. I don't want to do that. So I got a couple things. I got me a pair of what? Thought I took the label off. Why did it look like that? This is what I get for going to Walmart. They got horses on them. Oh my god. Okay. I'm trying to see like what is the lighting doing? Oh, wait a minute. Ooh. Over here. See, this is what I don't have time for. Then I got a pair of like undergarment shorts, but I'm gonna wear them as biker shorts. Anyway, I saw it on the YouTube and I want to do what they doing, so I got me a pair. Anyway, then I got two regular like white t-shirts. Yup, in my white tee, I break a big back and I keep a big back. Oh, I think they like that. And then I got this out of the Target. I thought this would be cute and I could do like a, okay, focus. I could do like a light blue crinkle cut with this. It's called the crinkle technique. I'm calling it a crinkle cut. A crinkle cut French fry. I want to do this and do like a cloud type method with a light blue. So we're gonna see how she turn out. Oh yeah, and then I have this white hoodie that I've had for a long time, but it's kind of starting to fade. I think I accidentally washed it with some colors and it got like this stain on it. Y'all can't probably see on camera, but I kind of got, wait a minute, right here. Stay like that. Hold on, wait a second now. We can stay like this. Hello, hi, hey. Hold on, wait, y'all know I gotta do thumbnail. Hold on, I gotta do thumbnail. I hate this. This is so, wait, hold on, right, you ready? She'd be like, y'all ready to get into it? So I got this tie-dye kit. It's just a regular tie-dye kit. I got it from Walmart. They have it at Walmart, Michael's. Oh, wait a minute. She said artsy. And it has all the colors in it. It has fuchsia red, orange, yellow, lime green, turquoise, blue, purple, violet, brown, black. Don't nobody want no brown. Hell. They say this easy. Last time I feel like I messed up. I wasn't really following the instructions like I should have. But this time we gonna do the right thing. Generalis, instructionalis, instructionist. Oh, this is the Spanish side. Techniques, tech. Circular, no, I don't want that. The swirl, I don't want that. The crumple. See, this is why I be listening to YouTube, because no, I don't want none of these. Ombre, I don't care about no ombre. I care about the crumple, the crinkle. Okay, whatever. The technique I'm following is a girl, Nicole Guerrero. I don't really know if I'm pronouncing it right, but I found hers out of all the people's. I like hers the most. She's the guy that I'm going to follow here. Wait a minute. Ah. The rubber bands over here, the tie-dye. Yeah, this gonna be for my water. Don't be thinking I'm on that stuff. But I got gloves, so these will come in handy when I go to Walmart, cause you know, coronavirus. All right, we good. I think we good to go. I got the water. I got everything. All right, y'all. So I moved to the kitchen because it's better lighting in here, and I'll be able to get more done. So I have it set up in the kitchen. There's my mom. There's Rowdy in there. He's eating like it's no tomorrow. But anyway, wait a second. All right, we're gonna get it popping now. I'm gonna fill up the water bottles with the colors. I pretty much have an idea of what I wanna do. Like I said, I'm following a tutorial by somebody else, but I pretty much have an idea. So I'm gonna just go ahead and fill these up and we're gonna get to it. Right now, I am filling the water bottles up with, guess what? Water. I'm just playing. I'm not about to tell y'all what to do. Y'all read the instructions, hell. So it was getting real messy, so I ended up putting some gloves on. And oh, look at you, shake that bottle, girl. You better shake that bottle. So some of them I went and added more color to. You can make it and adjust it to however you want it, but I wanted all mine to come out with a real pastel color, but some of them were too diluted, so I went back and added a little bit more to it. But it's really all to your own preference. You do what you want to do, because it's yours. It's your tie-dye, and you do what you want. Girl, you better shake that bottle. You better shake it what your mama gave you. So right now, I'm just testing the colors out on a white towel just to see how they'll look before I put them on the clothes. Like I said, you adjust it to your own preference, but I just want to make sure I got it right, because ain't no going back. Ain't no going back. Okay, I think this Naruto in them, I don't know nothing about him, but I like this color and that's what I want to do. The crinkle technique pretty much scrunch things up, but she said to dip it in water first. Should I listen to her? All right, so I wet the shirt and now I'm about to start with the crinkle. So trying to get the rubber bands around the shirt was kind of hard. So shout out to my mom for helping me. You my girl. So pretty much this is what I came out with. It doesn't look exactly like the tutorial. It's some green got on it from the dye on my gloves. So I switched my gloves. And I only wanted this to be sky blue. But it's alright, we're gonna keep pushing through. So we're gonna take this and we're gonna load it down with that blue. Hopefully it looks how I want it to look. If not, whatever. I feel like there's no right or wrong way to do it, but I want it done right, but it's okay. So that was quick, easy, light blue like I want to. So I'm gonna put this in a plastic bag. We can leave it for 6 to 8 hours. So I went back and added a little more blue just to make sure the color got all the way through so it come out the way that I wanted to, because I ain't got time to be playing no games, okay? Next, I'm gonna try to do my hoodie like a light pink. Like I said earlier, it's kind of faded, so hopefully it turns out right, but we gonna see. See, it's got all of this on it. You know what? Should I do it pink? It's bothering me a little bit. We're gonna do it pink anyway, because that's what I want, hell. How I'm gonna do this? How I'm gonna get this on here? Oh God. So it pretty much came apart because it's so thick and I had to try to hold it all together myself. So I ended up like re-scrunching it, or excuse me, crinkling it, the crinkle technique. Crinkling it back up to get it the way I want it, and I just put as many rubber bands around it as I possibly could. Again, there's no right or wrong way to do this. Just squish it all up, put it all together, put as many rubber bands on it as you can, and keep it pushing, sis. It better come out right. And that's on what? I decided I should put the spiral method in here for y'all too, just so I'm not gonna make a separate video because ain't nobody got time for that. So you just take it and pinch it and twirl it around. This better come out right too. This is way easier than that crinkle mess, I tell you that. Hell, hold on now. Gather up. Some of my leg. My God. So I kind of got it in a little pinwheel, but it's not that great. But we gonna try to make some shake anyway. So I wanted this to be a pink, blue, well, turquoise and yellow situation going on. So that's what I'm doing right now. I know that looks red, but it's not. It's a pink. It's gonna be a pastel pink. When she come out, she gonna be popping. And I know the colors are going to bleed into each other, and it's going to be a little bit of purple and a little bit of orange in there, but it's all good though. The goal is just to be pastel. And make sure you also flip it over and get the back side. I had messed up before and I didn't get it, so make sure you get that back side and load it up good. Alright, so I did all of these. This, and this are all the crinkle cut. And then these two are the spiral. I'm gonna let them sit for about 6 to 8 hours. And then I'm gonna open them back up and wash them out. And we gonna see how it comes out.
3 hours later.
I'm not sure what's going on here, but I was bored, so deal with it.
Tomorrow.
Alright, y'all, next day. So I let these sit overnight instead of going back 6 to 8 hours so they can soak up all the goodness, all the dye. So now I'm about to rinse them out. Make sure you wring them out good to get all the excess dye out of them, and then just go ahead and put them in the dryer for a little quick little tumble toss. So what happened was yesterday when I decided to wash everything out, they didn't show up as I wanted them to. So I redid a few of the pieces. This shirt I kept the same, which was the tie-dye shirt, the pastel one. You ain't gonna be seeing it right because of the light, but it's the one on the thumbnail. Focus. She wanna be pastel light, which is cute. It's real springy, real Easter-like. She's real pretty. She came out real pretty. And the pants didn't really come out as bright as I wanted them to, so I redid them, and now they have more of the pastel effect, so you can see better like this. I don't know what it is about the lighting right here, but you can see better this way. I didn't want them to be too much because I'm not trying to be walking down the street looking like an Easter egg. No, my hoodie didn't pretty much come out like anything, so what I did is I did the crinkle technique with a different white shirt, and I did it in pink, which came out so cute. This is so, I love this. This is so cute. I feel like I'm walking around with the sun. Move. I feel like I'm walking out with the sunset. You know what I'm saying? I'm out here. Whoa, ho, hit it. Hey, 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 hey. Make a stallion who knees on fleek. I absolutely love this shirt. This came out great. I'm gonna just squat right here and talk to y'all till I stand up again. So the lime green shirt didn't come out the way I wanted to because I did the crinkle pattern, so I decided to make it into a spiral. So cute, like I did that. I wanted it to be huge, so I wanna wear it just like this, like. Wait, can y'all see my feet? Oh good, cause no, she need a pedicure. But you know, I love it, I love it. And here's another green one that I did, but I think that because I didn't use green, I used lime, it came out real faint. So next time, I'm gonna go heavy with the green, because once you wash it all out, it gets faint anyway, and it lightens up. So here's the green one, which y'all probably, Rowdy, what are you doing? You wanna be seen so bad, hold this shirt up. Hold this shirt up. You wanna be making noises, you hold this shirt up. You gonna hold this shirt up. Say hey. Okay. He's not well. You probably can't tell, but it looks white, but it's not. It is like a faint green, but it's cool. I wanted real summery type. Oh, you say this shirt? Oh yes, I forgot to tell you. This one, this is the Naruto shirt that I did. And it came out, you can kind of see it. It has like little patches of blue in it, which is what I wanted. I really wanted blue to match. I did the crinkle technique on this one too. It came out cute if you ask me. I would have preferred it to be a little more blue, but you know, I'll take what I can get. I'll probably get another one and do it again. So that's pretty much everything. Overall, I'm pleased with how everything came out. I'll get better over time. Like I said, I'm not really a pro at this. It was just more like a little bit of a beginner type thing. I might have just found one of my new hobbies because I really enjoy it. I think it's pretty. It's very creative. It's very expressive. You do whatever you want to do. It's your design. You do what you want to do, and that's on what? I hope you guys thoroughly enjoyed this video. If you decide to try some of these designs, let me know. Put it in the comments. Share it with me. I want to see how creative you guys can be, and maybe I can learn a few things from y'all. So as always, stay blessed, beautiful, and bougie. Now we'll see you all at the next video. First of all, wait a second. I look cute. My eyes match my shirt, but it's all good. I know you ain't want to say anything, but I know y'all see it anyways. All right, bye. Subscribe.